Aloha and welcome to an absolutely stunning winter 2022 day in Upper West Maui. More specifically from the Papakea Resort in Honokowai, Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations greeting you from one of our fine vacation rental offerings here at Papakea, looking south towards the island of Lanai. This is where you will find the beach access directly in front of the adjoining Ka'anapali Shores residence, that vertical tower you see there on the left. Just spectacular oceanfront living, fantastic for swimming, snorkeling directly out front, looking towards the island of Molokai and further north towards Kapalua. So absolutely fantastic year-round sunsets between the two islands. And we've got the whales in town right now. So that is absolutely amazing to watch directly from this ground floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence. Unit number L-106, single level, ground floor, direct ocean front vacation rental. Plenty of seating out front to enjoy these spectacular views. And then heading indoors, we've got tile throughout the home, a beautiful brand new flat screen TV, nice attractive dining table, high-speed internet, books, all those sorts of things. And the living area, we've got 3 swivel chairs and a pull-out sleeper sofa. Wine fridge directly ahead. Beautifully remodeled kitchen with stainless appliances and very handsome cabinetry. Everything that you will need for your vacation rental experience. Well equipped as a home away from home. You can see the Keurig, knife block, everything you need is here. And just absolutely magical views from the interior of the home looking out towards the island of Molokai. Nice little greeting gift that our team leaves here for you. We've got additional pantry storage area behind mirrored sliders. Same thing on the other side. We've got the beach gear and then the stacker washer and dryer. This would be your secondary bath, single seat vanity, walk-in shower. And then this is the entryway to Papakea L-106. Bunk beds, additional TV, and then a Murphy bed here as well. And you will see split air conditioning throughout the home, one in each bedroom as well as the living area. You're gonna get that walk-in and wow factor the second you walk in the door and have those amazing ocean views. Master bedroom features a king bed, nightstands, very tasteful, colorful decor, another newer flat screen TV there. Dual sinks in the vanity and the master. Beautiful green and blue granite. And then tiled walk-in shower here. So plenty of space for larger groups. We advertise this as Sleeping 7. So once again, this has been a tour of vacation rental residence Papakea L-106. You can find us online at vacations.hawaiilife.com or inquire directly with our reservations team at Maui Vacations at hawaiilife.com. Grassy lawn out in front and then the pool just around the corner. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii life, saying aloha and a hui ho from Papakea L-106.